What's up, you guys? It's your girl Ebony Glux, and I'm back with another hair tutorial. This one I'm going to be showing you guys how I do these knotless braids on my daughter. I actually learned this technique from TikTok because I am not a braider, y'all. So let that be a disclaimer. I am not a braider. But anyway, so first I'm going to go in with my Murray's Edge Wax, and I'm just going to put this on the base just to slick it up so that when I start braiding, it'll be like a nice smooth foundation. So I'm just working that into her hair before I start the braid. And then I started these last night, so I'm gonna brush it out real quick. I put some twist in it to keep my parting, so I'm just gonna brush it out real quick just so that it's nice and ready to be braided. We won't run into any tangles or anything like that.
But I love your money. But you had all of your visas and start acting funny. What if I told you my main, but I got other dudes? And every time
Okay, and what you guys see me doing here is I'm splitting that section that I'm getting ready to braid in half. Okay, y'all, so I went to TikTok University and I learned this because, like I said, I'm not a braider, so I needed some help. So what you want to do is you want to split the part that you're getting ready to braid in half. Then you're going to place the braiding hair right in the middle and do it evenly, right? And then her real hair, you're going to take that and you're going to start to braid it like you're doing like a regular knotless braid. And I want to say, like, maybe start to braid, do like about, honestly, I probably did too many. You want to do probably about like 3 to 4 like braids down. Then you want to take your braiding hair and that one piece you got on the side, you want to split it in half and put it into one section of her real hair, just like you're doing a knotless braid, right? Then when you come around, you're going to split the second piece of the braided hair in half. Not even half, probably like 2/3, right? And then you're going to start to braid that down. Now you're going to have one more piece of her real hair that don't have no braiding hair in it, but you got those 2 pieces that you left out. Those are the 2 pieces you're going to add to that third piece of her real hair, and you just going to keep on braiding like you're doing a regular braid. Just keep on braiding like you're doing a regular braid, and it should come out fine. Because I mean, like I said, I'm not a braider, and this worked for me. I felt like it was a lot easier. I felt like it took less time than if I were to do it like a regular knotless braid, where I'm putting like 5 and 6 pieces in continuously at a time. I feel like that takes me longer because, like I said, I am not a braider. So having to pick up each piece every time just takes a long time for me, and I felt like this was much faster. All in all, it probably took me maybe like 4 hours to do her whole head. And I would say this is like a medium to large size. And look, don't judge the part neither, because like I said, I'm not a braider, so these parts is real janky, okay? But whatever, it got the job done. And then what I went and did was, at the ends where her real hair was ending and I was continuing on with the braid, I took some more of that edge wax and I added it to the ends of her hair just so that they would tuck nicely and not be sticking out of the braid. So hopefully I broke that down in a way that y'all can understand and y'all can also see exactly what I'm doing. So hopefully y'all get the picture, you feel me, get the bigger picture, and hopefully you guys can do this yourself. Hopefully it's easier for you like it is for me, because baby, struggling to do my girl's hair is just, well, not even both my girls, just maybe because she don't even got hair right now. Y'all know my poo-poo ain't got no hair. She bald-headed, but it's all good. But like I said, just trying to keep up with my baby hair. This is what worked for me. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if it works for you. Let me know if this is something you want to try. Y'all, I'm on the road to 1K, so make sure you don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button, because I'm almost there, baby. I am almost there. I'm like 94% of the way there. So I'm going to just let y'all get into the rest of the video. I'm going to keep showing y'all in detail. Just keep it locked, and I hope you guys learned something from this. So I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm gonna let y'all rock out to the music. Love you guys. See you guys. Thanks.
I've been getting it since a toddler. I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto. Handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got no follow. And my footsteps like the fence. I shoot like I'm Montana. Chop up bullets, make them shit. Like I'm black new phantom in the backseat sipping red. Bitch, I'm from Atlanta. With these hoes ready to be like that. Condo like the pharmacy, I got codeine in my fridge. My bro on a steaming stove, cooking crack like grits. Got this vibe on a tippy toe, struggling in a pit. LA live, I'm staying at the lows with this Hollywood bitch. Got a 9, then a snub nose, can't wait to let it hit. Pull up with a stick, I pull up with a stick. I pull up with a pink toe, whipping she sucking it dick. I put some diamonds on her toes, let her hold on to them reach. Used to pulling kick rolls, you can still call it a leak. Pull up with a stick, I pull up with a stick. I pull up with a pink toe, whipping she sucking it dick. I put some diamonds on her toes, let her hold on to them reach. Used to pulling kick rolls, you can still call it a leak. Broken can't be fixed, with the names and spent the nick. How you pull that don't make sense. I done made a whole mile off a inch. I had 99 problems, I just scratch your heart, the bitch. Got some millions and winnings, all on my neck, cause a quarter brick. I've been getting it since a toddler, I keep dollars on my head. Been a real one is my motto, handle my problems, I ain't scared. I put powder on my collar, cause she proud of what I said. I'm a leader, I got no follow, and my footsteps like the fence. I shot bro on a steaming stove, cooking crack like grits. Got this vibe on a tippy toe, struggling in a pit. LA live, I'm staying at the lows with this Hollywood bitch. Got a 9, then a snub nose, can't wait to let it hit. Pull up with a stick, I pull up with a stick. I pull up with a pink toe, whipping she sucking it dick. I put some diamonds on her toes, let her hold on to them reach. Used to pulling kick rolls, you can still call it a leak. Pull up with a stick. if you call it a leak. Pull up with a stick, I pull up with a stick, I pull up with a pink toe, whipping, she sucking it dick. I pull up with a stick, I pull up with a stick, I pull up with a pink toe, whipping, she sucking it dick.
Whoa, don't make me wait too long. Five niggas just some way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect, yeah, you can't do wrong. Whoa, don't make me wait too long. Slide on your favorite song. Let me find out you faded low. I pull up, but I can't stay too long.
Fly, yeah, look, I ain't got all day, baby. Money to make, and I've been trying to get paid. I got and they feel it's grown women, sentimental, couple foreign things flying in and out of LA. I'm not a player, I got a plan. What's up with you, girl? What you saying? Do you wanna roll with it from the land? Let me see you pose for a minute. 5'5", thick thighs, busting out of the denim. Got bad, way more than a little bit. Probably had me falling in love if a hit. Never had it from the hood, but she knew it. Baby said she wanna go slow.
Don't make me wait too long. Five niggas just some way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect, yeah, you can't do wrong. Whoa, don't make me wait too long. Slide on your favorite song. Let me find out you faded low. I pull up, but I can't stay too long. I'm too impatient, I just can't take my time. Don't make me wait in line. If you treat me basic, I find replacement. I keep it player on time. Don't make me wait too long. Oh, don't make me wait too long. Yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know.
Hey, the clock ticking, the plot thickens, I'm not tripping. I got, you got, we not different. Feel me? I got, but not really. Wonder where the time goes when you're not with me. Yeah, you top 10, we should lock in, hop in. Baby, let me show you that I'm not playing. Probably used to weird, I'm not them. Watch this, press one button, now she topless. Take one flight, hit the tropics. Take life, make it my, make you fall in love with the spot. She said not yet.
Don't make me wait too long. Five niggas just some way too long. Time ticking, I'ma bring my phone. Perfect, yeah, you can't do wrong. Whoa, don't make me wait too long. Slide on your favorite song. Let me find out you faded low. I pull up, but I can't stay too long. I'm too impatient, I just can't take my time. Don't make me wait in line. If you treat me basic, I find replacement. I keep it player on time. Don't make me wait too long. Oh, don't make me wait too long. Yeah, you know, yeah, you know, yeah, you know.